There comes a time in life when the weight you carry becomes too heavy to hide. A time when the world sees your smile, but only you know the battles behind it. People look at you and see a normal person, but they don't see the nights you spent awake, the choices you had to make, the prayers you whispered, asking for just one more chance, one more day, one more reason to keep going. This is the story of your struggle, and the world needs to hear it. Life doesn't warn you before it hits. It doesn't say, get ready. It doesn't say, be strong. It just comes at you. Suddenly, violently, without mercy. One day everything is fine, and the next day everything is falling apart. The people you trusted walk away. The dreams you worked for collapse. The plans you made no longer make sense. And you stand there, confused, hurting, wondering, why me? Why does life always test the ones who are already broken? But pain has a purpose. Fall has a role. Your struggle is not life punishing you. It's life preparing you. Everyone sees your outside life, but they don't see the war inside your mind. They don't see the moments when you wanted to quit. They don't see the mornings when you woke up tired of everything. They don't see the nights when you asked yourself, am I enough? Will I ever be enough? You fight 1,000 battles no one knows about. Battles with fear, battles with doubt, battles with memories that refuse to let go, battles with a heart that keeps breaking, and yet you're still here, breathing, standing, fighting, and that alone makes you stronger than you realize. People judge your results, but they never care about your effort. They don't see how hard you're trying. They don't see how much strength it takes just to get out of bed. They don't see the sacrifices you make every single day. They only see your failures. They only see your faults. They only see your mistakes. But listen to me. Your value is not decided by people who don't understand your pain. Your worth is not measured by people who never walked your path. You are more than what they think of you, and greater than what you think of yourself. One of the hardest truths in life is this: you will walk the darkest roads alone. When you fall, most people won't be there. When you cry, most people won't notice. When you break, most people won't care. And it hurts. God, it hurts. But loneliness is not a punishment. It's a teacher. It teaches you independence. It teaches you self-respect. It teaches you who truly belongs in your life and who is just passing through. Pain takes a lot from you, but it also gives you something. It gives you strength, not the kind that shows in your body, but the kind that grows in your soul. The kind of strength that says, I fell, but I stood again. I cried, but I healed again. I was broken, but I rebuilt myself. Pain shapes you. Pain evolves you. Pain transforms you into someone you never imagined you could be. There comes a moment, after all the tears, after all the confusion, after all the nights you thought you wouldn't survive, a moment when something inside you wakes up, something stronger, something louder, something unbreakable. You start standing taller. You start breathing deeper. You start believing again, not in the world, but in yourself. Because now you know, you didn't come this far just to break. You didn't fight this hard just to lose. You didn't survive the dark just to stay in it. Your past may have hurt you, but your future needs you. It needs your courage. It needs your strength. It needs your heart. It needs your story. Because someone out there will heal because of what you survived. Someone will rise because you refused to give up. Someone will believe again because you kept going. Your life has a purpose far greater than your pain. If you're listening to this, if these words are reaching your heart, it's not an accident. This message is for you. You are stronger than your fear. You are bigger than your struggle. You are braver than your past. Your pain did not destroy you. It awakened you. And one day, you will look back and say, I survived all of it. And I became someone even stronger because of it. Life will test you. Life will break you. Life will challenge everything inside you. But no matter how dark your path becomes, there is a light inside you that cannot die. You are meant to rise. You are meant to grow. You are meant to overcome. This is not the end of your story. This is the moment you begin again. And this time, you rise stronger.